Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to handle the time and the date, and let me show you what I'm talking about. As you can see here, I don't want to always show yesterday. If it's a message sent today, I want to show the time. If it's a message sent yesterday, I want to show yesterday. And if it's a message sent in another date, I want to just to show the date. Also, when I go to the chat, I don't always want to show 10 a.m. I want to show the correct time. So that's what we will be doing in today's video. So let's start coding. And first thing, we need to go to our utils folder, to extension and to our date extension, and we will need a time formatter. Okay, so first thing, we will add a private var time formatter. It will be of type date formatter, and it will be let formatter equal date formatter. The timestamp will be short, so formatter dot times. Okay, for code this, I apologize. Dot time style equal dot short formatter dot date format, and we want to display hour and minute, so it will be HH for hours and then MM for minutes, and we will return our formatter. And the first thing, we want to use this formatter to show the time. So we will create a function that returns a string. So function time string, and as I said, it returns a string. And we are going to use our time formatter, so it will be return time formatter dot string from self, and that's all I need to return a time string. And like I said in previous video, when it's only one line, you don't need to write a return. Okay, perfect. Of course you can write it, but it's not necessary. Anyway, now we need to use our time string, so we need to go to our chat message cell, and here we got this 10 a.m. We want to replace it with the correct time, so it will be message dot timestamp dot date value dot time string, and we will also do the same also for the case when we are the one sending, so message dot timestamp dot date value dot time string, and that's perfect. This should be enough to be working, so let's run it. And now I should be able to see the correct time. So if I go to Thomas Shelby, for example, you see this message was sent at 17:48, this one 17:41. As you can see, we got the correct time of every message, which is perfect. Now we need to handle the inbox. And for the inbox, I want, when it's today, I want to show the time. If it's not today, if it's yesterday, in that case, I want to show yesterday. And if it's another date, I want to show the date. So let's implement it. So we are going to go to, again, our date extension. And here we are going to add a function that we will call timestamp string. It will return a string. And we are first of all going to check for the case of it's today. So if it's today, if calendar dot current dot is date in today self. So if it's today, in this case, I want to use my time string function. So I will return time string because I want to display the time if it's today. If it's yesterday, so else if calendar dot current dot isDate in yesterday self. In this case, I want to return yesterday, so I will return a string that say yesterday. Now let's say if it's another date, so else. In the else, I want to return the string, so I will add a function that returns me a date string, so function date string will return, like I said, a string. And we are going to use a formatter that we implemented a few videos ago, which is this one, the day formatter. So it will be day formatter dot string from self. And as you can see, the day formatter, it returns month, days, and years. Okay, perfect. And here we will return, and we will call our date string, which is perfect. Also, for the short timestamp string, we don't need to return day formatter.string. This one, we can directly call our date string. It's a lot cleaner. Okay, perfect. Now to handle it, all we need is to go to our inbox row view, and here replace yesterday with message dot timestamp dot date value and dot I forgot what I call a timestamp string. And this should be working, so if I run it, and that's all I need to include the dates and the time. So now if I run it, hopefully everything will be working perfectly. Okay, as you can see, this one is the 3 May 2024, which is correct. And this one was sent yesterday. If I check my last message, it was yesterday, which is correct. If I check my last message with Nancy Wheeler, also the date is correct, which is perfect. The only case we need also to check is the case if I say hi to today, I need to have in my inbox today. So I sent hi with the correct, of course, time. And if I go here, perfect, as you can see, I see the time, which is correct. I hope you enjoyed today's video. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.